Do you need a strong, reliable lift for your Lego robot? One that can handle a grabber and carry a load with ease? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through building a compact lift mechanism with 7 centimeters of smooth vertical movement. I have used this lift for several robot competitions, for example, the WRO 2024 senior category, where the house parts had to be collected and stacked. Also for WRO 2025, where there were various activities which required some vertical motion. The manipulation of the bolts was the most complicated task. For WRO 2026, it is an advantage if you can carry several of the mosaic parts at the same time. The lift has no trouble with 6 of them and could carry more. Now let's have a look at how to make the lift. The following pictures were made with the BrickLink Studio 2 program, which is free to download. Well, if you went through all those steps and built your lift, it should end up looking something like this. The gears used on the lift reduce the speed and increase the lifting strength. This means you can set the lift motor speed to 100%. The video shown here has more information about the use of gears in lifts and grabbers.